Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to solve the equations using matrices in our circuits and how to solve those matrices using this calculator. So first of all, when we doing our circuits, we're doing their analysis, and then if either we're doing node analysis or mesh analysis or any other method, we're gonna at the end we're gonna have equations which depends on the number of our variables. If we have two variables we need to find, we're gonna have two equations. If three, we're gonna have three equations. So how do we solve it when at the end we get to some point like this with these numbers? How do we solve it? First of all, we need to convert this to a matrix. How do we do that? To convert this to a matrix, we said we put all the numbers that are multiplying by our variables one after another in order. Like for example, if I have I1, I2, I3, I put I1 here, I2 here, I3 here, the number that's getting multiplied by them. And then in the second equation, I put it in the second row. Again, I1, I2, I3. I don't put I3, I2, I1. Like the order must be the same. I1, I2, I3. Or any other variable, X, Y, Z if we have, V1, V2, V3 if we have. It doesn't matter. So here, we see if we look at these numbers, we look, okay, this is our variable, I1, I2, I3, and I put them all in order. First I1s, then I2s, then I3s. And then I'm like, okay, I'm gonna circle the numbers. Here it's I3, so it's 1. It's 1 I3. And then this number also matters. So this number, this number, this number, this. Here again it's just I1, so it's multiplication, it's multiplying by 1. This one it's minus 2. And this one again it's 1 and 5. So how do we put it in a matrix? We say we put all these numbers one after another, 5, 7, 1, the numbers that getting multiplied by these variables. 2, 3, 5, 1, minus 2 and 1. And then we say this is getting multiplied. These numbers are getting multiplied even here by our variables, which are I1, I2, and I3. And then at the end of the day, they're gonna be equal to what? 0, 25, 5. There are a number of methods which we can solve this matrix by hand, which I'm going to show you later on in the videos. But right now I just want to show you how to do this with the calculator. We're actually we're going to the mode, and we're going to use the equation type, as you can see in here. And then we have different type of equations. As you can see, our equation are 3 different variables and one number here, like this one, the second type. So we choose that and we just add our numbers. You see these numbers here, 5, 7, 1, 5. Then we press this equal button, then 7, then 1, and 0 at the end. Our D factor is the number in here. Then the second equation, 2, 3, 5, 25, 1, minus 2, and 1, and it's equal to 5. So as you can see, our x is the first variable. Whatever we wrote here is our x that the calculator is showing, which is I1 is equal to minus 0.82. Then our y is our second variable. I2 is equal to minus 0.19. And the z1 is the third one. I3 is equal to 5.46.